Hey there, in this video I'm gonna show you how I created a bear can design using Adobe Firefly and Photoshop. We're just going to create the images now and we'll be back to edit the images later on as we progress. Since this is just the concept phase and not meant for printing, we are going to do most of the work inside Photoshop. I've used a Chinese font for the main title and then converted it to vector inside Illustrator, and then used a similar font for the subhead underneath. I've also increased the spacing between the letters so that it has more space to breathe. After this, we move on to create the tagline. I'm gonna use a background shape to highlight the tagline. I don't want the shape to look too flat, so instead of using a plain rectangle, I've curved the corners to inside so that it looks a bit different and matches the overall design language of the can. Once we've done that, we move on to choosing the right font for the tagline, and in this case I've selected a font that works well with the other two. The next stage is to edit the images that we have created. In almost all cases, we might not get the perfect image to use in our project. There will be a lot of artifacts that we have to remove to get the final result. In this case, I have replaced the head to a different version. Since this is just the concept and not going into production, I'm going to skip a lot of detailing work here and just focus on the overall composition. It's even possible that we need to redo a lot of details and line work so that the illustration looks crisp when printed. We're gonna leave the background white, maybe transparent, so that we get that aluminum texture feel on the can. Once we've done that, I'll combine the illustration with the rest of the design and adjust the lighting a bit so that everything flows well. Finally, this is how the design is going to look on a bear can, and I've created multiple designs using this process, and I have posted them on my Behance page, so do check them out. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.